And all over the world we find bent rock layers. Now I don't know if you realize it or not, but rock doesn't bend very good. And these bent rock layers indicate they were all bent while they were soft mud. They didn't bend slowly. They bent quickly while they were still soft mud layers. That all happened at the time of the flood. As the mountains lifted up, it's going to cause metamorphic rock to be formed from the pressure on some of these sedimentary rocks. It's going to change them. And at the same time, as it cracks, you will get igneous intrusive rock squirting up through, like the quartz seams going through the limestone all over Arkansas. I think during the first part of the flood, of course, the sediments would settle out horizontally. Layers always form horizontally when they're settled out of water. And then, the Bible says the mountains arose and the valley sank down, so the earth wrinkled up, maybe for several factors, maybe the sliding from the crack widening as the basalt bulged up, or maybe just the wrinkling effect as the water underneath goes to the surface. The rock's going to settle down in different rates and wrinkle up. But this is going to cause erosion. The waves were going back and forth across the ocean then, and they would wipe off the surface and deposit new layers on top. So you end up in geology what is called an unconformity. You end up with an unconformity with layers at strange angles to each other. It didn't happen over millions of years. It happened during the flood. Just like the Bible says, the scoffers are ignorant of the flood.